Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to the channel again. So here I am in your service with the new notification given by the ICA. Bit relaxation notification. I think ICA has now been diverted towards the requirements of the students now. So I think now it is slowly getting inclined towards the worries of the student what they are having. So without wasting the time, here we are with the new announcement. So what is a new announcement? Let's do it without let's understand it without wasting the time. Now announcement is relating to exemption. Announcement is relating to exemption of orientation course. You can see that exemption from which course? Exemption from orientation course. It is an exemption from orientation course. Now first of all, let me tell you, this exemption is not for everyone. This exemption is not for everyone. This exemption is for direct entry students. So this exemption is only for the direct entry student. So what happened is, like, direct entry students, if they really want to enter into the articleship, if they want to start their articleship, they need to complete their OTT, complete their orientation course and ITT before 31st July. If they want to enter into the articleship, they need to complete their orientation course and information technology course, ITT course. They have to do it before 31st July. But due to the pandemic situation called COVID-19, now what has happened, in the Pan India, now the situation is getting worse and worse, and all the IT and soft skill classes are getting cancelled across all the campuses of ICA. So ICA has decided to relax this provision from 31st July 2020 to 31st December 2020. You have heard it right. Now the direct entry students who are directly entering into the intermediate course, direct entry students, they, instead of completing their orientation course and ITT course by 31st July, they can complete it now. Only for the purpose of COVID-19 situation, they can complete it now by 31st December 2020. तो what is the overall gist of this announcement is कि आप लोगों को relaxation मिल गया है 31st जुलाई 2020 की जगह. अब आपको टाइम एक्सटेंशन कितना मिल गया? 31st दिसंबर 2020. और आप right away, on the spot, right now, you can join your articleship. This is a basic relaxation. So what is a relaxation? Let us understand what ICA is basically trying to tell. तो ICA क्या बोल रहा है? ICA बोल रहा है कि exemption from completion of orientation course and information technology training before the admission in practical training on or before 31st July. It means before entering into the articleship, पहले direct entry students को क्या करना पड़ता था? Earlier direct entry students had to complete their orientation course and ITT course before 31st July 2020. But now that provision has been exempted. Now due to, and this is only for, again I'm saying, this is only for the which student? Direct entry scheme students. So due to the suspension of IT and soft skill classes all across the country because of the prevailing COVID situation, a large number of direct entry students are facing problem, right or not, with respect to their eligibility for joining of the articleship due to the non-completion of orientation course and information technology. The competent authority has therefore decided to relax the requirement as one-time measure. तो याद रखना, इन द अर्लियर वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू दैट कि योर GMCS कोर्स एंड योर अदर ITT एडवांस्ड ITT कोर्स की फीस जो है वो 7,000 से रिड्यूस होकर 5,000 हो गई है और 7,500 से रिड्यूस होकर 5,500 हो गई है. दोज हु आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर द वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइम मेजर. Here also I say saying it is a one time measure, it is one time relaxation because of COVID-19. Now what is a relaxation? Students who are registered through the direct entry route are eligible to register in the article training on or before 31st July 2020. अब आप अपना आर्टिकलशिप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो बिंदास विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम. ऑन और बिफोर 31st जुलाई 2020 आप अपनी आर्टिकलशिप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो एंड आर अलाउड टू रजिस्टर इन द आर्टिकलशिप ट्रेनिंग. आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हो आर्टिकलशिप ट्रेनिंग में एंड कंप्लीट द ओरिएंटेशन कोर्स एंड ITT कोर्स ऑन और बिफोर 31st दिसंबर 2020 इंस्टेड ऑफ 31st जुलाई 2020. तो न्यूज क्या है? सिंपल सी न्यूज है. डायरेक्ट एंट्री स्टूडेंट्स को जिनको पहले ITT कंप्लीट करना था, ओरिएंटेशन कंप्लीट करना था ऑन और बिफोर 31st जुलाई 2020, उनके लिए रिलैक्सेशन है. नाउ दे नीड नॉट वरी, दे कैन डायरेक्टली एंटर into their articleship era, they can directly enter into the articleship, they can join their articleship, but ensure that you still have to complete. ऐसा नहीं आपको पूरा एग्जामिशन मिल गया, you still have to complete your orientation course and ITT course instead of on or before 31st July. Now you have to complete it on or before 31st December 2020. Again, this is only for that direct entry student. So that's it from my side. I hope this video might be useful to you, especially to the direct entry students. So for the more updates and more notifications, keep on sharing this video and keep on liking this video and all the videos which are there on this platform on my YouTube channel. So stay connected with me, and always it's always good to learn in a more updated way and notified way. So मैं आपको कोशिश करूंगा, मैं अपनी पूरी ट्राई करूंगा कि आप लोगों को जल्द से जल्द जो भी नोटिफिकेशन आती है, जो रेलिवेंट नोटिफिकेशन है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, जो प्रॉब्लमेटिक नोटिफिकेशन है, रिलैक्सेशन है स्टूडेंट्स को दी गई ICA के द्वारा, तो आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई विल डायरेक्टली पुट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एज सून एज पॉसिबल. So that's it from my side. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.